Bundy's Garage, Bundy here. Hey, if you guys are new to my channel, I go over everything related to automotive, from DIY repairs to tool reviews to product reviews to HID reviews. And today I got my hands on ecoplug. I did a video about this when your drain bolt on your oil pan is stripped out. And I actually didn't have one. I just put a part of a video that ecoplug did in the end of my video, and I actually put that one in the description below so you can see options for when you strip out your oil drain bolt. Quick, I just wanted to show you guys this. This is ecoplug. I actually called them. I'll put their 1-800 number up right now. They're really helpful. So I'm working on this TL right here, and the oil drain bolt has stripped out. So I gave them a call to see if I could pick it up at AutoZone or O'Reilly's, and they actually have them at Walmart. It was like $9 here in Southern California. Then you have the removal tool, which is about $9 as well. Less than $20, you're getting this whole thing. And let me just go over the instruction real quick. Hand install tapered threads into damaged or undamaged aluminum oil pan threads. Push and turn clockwise until threads take hold. Apply 7/8 wrench to 7/8 cylinder hex bolt, slowly turning clockwise to install and activate expand seal. Continue until thoroughly tight. Do not over tighten. Wait 10 minutes, add oil, inspect for leaks. If leak is present, slowly continue clockwise installation until leak stops. I have a 7/8 wrench right here, but I guess you could use a 7/8 socket, or if you really wanted to, you could use a crescent wrench. Goes all the way through, you can see right there. Has a rubber plug. So I did buy the tool just to make it easier for them. That rubber seal doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Let's see if this fits in here. It does, 7/8. Fits very nicely. Alright, let's install this bad boy. Alright, we're into the car. Bring the ecoplug in. Starting it by hand. Still turning it by hand. Just double checking it, make sure it's going in straight. Yeah, the threads are shot on this thing. Here's some of the old threads. So I just put it in there, pulled it back out. Got some of the old threads come with it. Got my 7/8 wrench here. It says do not over tighten it. Just going nice and easy. It's getting tighter. Probably just one more. Okay, that's about it. That was it. Now it does stick out quite a bit. You got maybe 1/4 of an inch coming out. Right there, that's where my finger's at. Coming in with the tool. Pull it right out. I think if you're going to buy the ecoplug, go ahead and buy the tool as well, because it makes it a lot easier to pull it out. They say you can use pliers, but I think that would be too much of a pain. So it says wait 10 minutes and fill it up. Let me get a towel, wipe all this up. That was fairly easy, fairly easy. It says leave it for 10 minutes before filling up, so I'll leave that for 10 minutes. I won't waste your time. They say after you fill the engine with oil and it starts to leak a little bit, start tightening it up more. I'll put my final verdict if any leaks happen at the end of the video, so stay tuned. But if you found this video helpful, or any of my videos helpful, please consider subscribing to Bundy's Garage on YouTube. Alright guys, take care and enjoy this video of stupid crashes real quick.